Hey guys, so I'm really excited to announce that this is part 1 of the series called, my series called What the Hell. So this is just going to be like a little series of me reviewing things, and yeah. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what the hell is kinetic sand. So, supposedly kinetic sand is this. Alright, so it's basically like a liquid cool. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Sorry, stop. He's on my foot and then I moved him. This is cold, by the way. Okay, so it's basically like a sand that never dries out, cleans up easily, that's made with natural sand, holds its shape, and makes your hands stay dry and clean. So yeah. So this is basically what it looks like. There's a kid molding it into, you can basically like mold it into anything. And I think it's pretty cool. Oh yeah. So just before like I start opening it and like reviewing it, I want you guys to know that like I already opened it. I was playing with it before. So like don't like be like, oh my god, the person that packaged it sucks. I opened it. It actually came in like a little baggie inside of this bag. But I just like threw that in the garbage because it's like a Ziploc and you just like seam it in, but yeah, so I'm just gonna dump this baby out. So this is really cool. Many reasons why. So on Instagram, I don't know if you guys have been seeing, if you guys have Instagram, but there is this trend where like you like record yourself like poking slime or like playing with kinetic sand and like cutting it. So supposedly that you can like just cut it. So I have my knife right here. I'm going to show you guys. Here we go. Oh wow. Wow. That's really cool. Look at this. That's really cool. Mold it. Mold it into a ball. Hopefully. Oh wow, this is cool. And just like, it reminds me of a flubber slime. It's really cool. I wasn't even like doing anything, I was just holding it. So that's really cool. I'm gonna cut it into pieces. This stuff is really cool. I like it. It's so cool. So like as you stretch it, there's like these little strings. I don't know. Yeah, you can see. There's like these little strings that come off when I drop it. But that's kind of odd. But whatever. Oh no, it's falling apart. Another piece. I'm just like putting it into a pile. Another piece. Fast forward. So, I just cut them all up, and it just like, when I was cutting them all up, like when I was done, I was just like sticking them into this ball. So. And this is really cool. Like I just said, it has these strings, and it's just like really cool because like, well, you can see that there, but they're so cool. Look, see those little strings? That's what like they come out. I don't know why I'm like so obsessed with the strings, and it's just really cool to me. So like this is, what are you doing? My cat. So it's just like really cool. Oh my god! Are you like seeing this right now? What the hell? Literally. Like, welcome to my series with my cats. Me explaining, me trying to like explain what the hell is wrong with my cats. Okay, I'm trying to like prop my phone up here, but it's not really working. Okay. Well, you can see the super cat head, but whatever. So. Uh-oh, it's falling on the floor. Oh, shit. That's a lot on the floor. Okay. It was falling on the floor, and there's like a lot on the floor. So, like, I just, like, really like how... Yeah, I know, I just like a lot. I don't know why I keep sinking my chin to... My little kitten is running around, and he's so cute. Oh, hey, come back. He's running from me. I'm going to put him in here. You like it? No. Smelling it. It's like, what the hell is this? Yeah, welcome to my series. What the hell? He's so cute. He's so cute. Sorry. Got a little sidetracked. Okay, but, like, I hope you guys, like, understand the fact that I'm, like, going crazy over this. But, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And my first, well, part 1 of my new series called What the Hell. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.